Hey guys, Janet with Strange RV Tours. I want to show you this little park. It's in Panacea, Florida. Just a little hole-in-the-wall place. Come and join me. Okay guys, this is the entrance, and there's a canal over on that side over there, and a little real estate office here. But this is the Old Pavilion RV Park and Camping, and it's got 36 spots, some full-timers. And there's the office right there on the right, and that's us down on the end facing the water. But I'll go ahead and walk around. Excuse my voice still, but we're at low tide right now, and people have their boats stored here. It's somebody driving in here, a little boat ramp, little dock here. So if you have a little boat, you want to do some boating or fishing, this will all fill up by about 7:30 tonight. So, fish cleaning station, which I don't have a license for Florida, but look at all these houses. Got all their own little docks. And the rule now, housing, you gotta be at least 20 feet up in the air, 20, 23, something like that. I heard both. And, you know, otherwise, when you rebuild, you have to go to the new codes. And I'm sure if you're buying existing property, it's going to be hard to get insurance or something. You know, financing, unless you're up to code. But yeah, it's quiet out here. Nothing around here though. There's one bar, two little stores. There's a tiki bar that opens on the weekends, but the beach bar is open, I think, every day. But yeah. See, all the sites are really level, and picnic tables available, which I like because I don't carry a table. It comes in handy. Guess that's a private residence, no trespassing. Yeah. See? The water comes all the way up to the rocks here. So yeah, the tide's starting to come in now. And you can see over there where the restaurant was. The bar and restaurant. She had the option to rebuild, but she would have to build on the land and 20 feet up. She said, nah. So she put in the RV park. She loves it. She loves meeting the new people. And everybody's happy, she says. She likes it. And she's sustaining her income now. Because she lost everything. But That's great. There's a FEMA trailer. Somebody got themselves a FEMA trailer. There's a couple of them. Yeah, there's another one. Yeah, they're pretty obvious. They all look the same. Yes. There we are. There's a kitty cat. That's Brownie. Say hi, Brownie. Hi, Brownie. Kitty, kitty. Hi. Anyway, and there's the dock. Nice dock. I'll run back over there in a minute. Yeah. And Donna says she's down here. Yeah, this is Donna's place. She runs the beach bar. Right. I don't know what's over here. I assume that's private property too. Yeah. Wow. Looks like you can walk out there for miles and it'd be all full of water. I'm not used to being around salt water, you know, with the tides. But she does her own little crab trapping or something. It's a whole different world than Vegas, for sure. I like watching all the pelicans and the seagulls. It's really neat. Yeah, see, there goes the pelican flying. Yeah, isn't this awesome? Yeah, how cool. They're supposed to take care of the birds from sitting up here, I guess, huh? Neat. The string. Huh. Look at all the shells. Oh my gosh. Look at all the shells down there. It's wild. Shells. You know, I thought I'd see crabs crawling around and stuff, and you don't. I've seen some boats go right across through here where all this, you can see the dirt and stuff. When the high tide, you see the boats come right across here. Little bass boats. And I haven't seen anything big. It's awesome. But anyway, that's where we're at, right there, right on the water. And there's a spotlight right there. And look at that guy sitting. He's from Alaska. Yeah, you can see the light shining out here, and you see the pelicans and birds sitting on these posts at night. Neat to watch them. I like to watch them. But anyway, Passport America, $25. It says in the book 20, but some of the local fees have gone up, taxes and stuff, so they had to raise their prices to 25. So that includes your electricity and sewer, full hookup. So, all right, guys, onward. Okay, guys, that's it for this little Panacea Park, the Old Pavilion here in Florida. So if you like the video, hit like, and if you like everything that we do, subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications, and share if you could, please. Get the word out there, see what we're doing. All right. Bye, guys.